Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Yeah, the thing I don't like about coming here, these are the Chinese stores, is because they're so much more expensive, but you just get more variety of snacks. That's the only thing. The variations of snack is more, but it's more expensive, of course. Okay, first time I see is this kiwi chunks. Eh. Long time I haven't seen this as well. Pop up wall. Like, I used to love this. Also, chili baby. I'm trying to balance my daughter's snack intake in terms of sweet and salt. That's so much for the sale. Mm. Should I buy it like this or should I buy it in the whole one? Excuse me. She likes these little things, so I try to get like smaller snacks. First time I see that. Hmm. Not sure how she will feel about these. Oh. Goodness, it's so expensive here. What's 83? $83. $3 there. That's the only reason why I don't like going to the Chinese store, Chinese grocery because it's so much expensive. But that should last us at least the next 2 weeks. Hi, my Kendricks. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a subscriber, hey, I'm Shalana. And as you all saw from the clips before, we already got up, showered, made lunch for my daughter, sent her off to school, went to the grocery store, got her snacks for the next, at least trying to stretch it for the next 2 weeks, and we back home. Alright, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if it is into this type of content. Right, guys, so today I'm just gonna bring you all along with me. You just spend the day with me, and And I don't know if you saw what I got. I went to the variety store and I got some permanent markers. Right, these aren't the ones that I actually wanted. I wanted the ones with the square tip, but this will have to do. I got 2 pens because I have some writing to do, and I can never get a pen, like an actual pen, right, to do some writing with. So these I'm going to keep it in safety because, right. I also picked up some index cards. I picked up a new pack. So these two going together. The reason why I'm doing this is because I'm building my daughter's word bank in the sense of not only the words that she knows, but words that she can spell. So let me go on that. Alright, so I have an envelope, well, a kind of case thing here, and I have cards with words, right? Because, right, I have cards with words, and I try adding on new words to it. So they do spelling in school and stuff like that. So what I'm trying to do is get her to pronounce the word, know what the word is, spell the word, and also to use it in a sentence. So I'm trying to implement using it in a sentence. So not just reading what is on the card, right? But for her to be able to spell the word that is on the card, not only here, but when she goes off to school, and also ways in which you can use the word in a sentence, right? So something that I want to start implementing for her is that when we use a word, so some of the cards, if we do like about 6 words for the day, right? So that would be 3 cards because it have a word behind each, right? And to sit and write a sentence out, we have a whiteboard like in school, and we will make out a sentence with using the word. So she would know how to use the word, the meaning of the word, etc. Oh. By the way, guys, this brand, yeah, Papa balls tastes exactly as I remember it to be. I ate the green one and that's already. It tastes also good. Tastes also good. I can't remember the last day that I ate Papa balls, but it tastes just as I remembered. It is really, really good. Like, ooh. Yeah, but free promo. This one tastes real good. I ain't gonna lie.
They just wanna fuck with you. Cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
eat bread. That's all I came for. So I'm finally back home. Just picked up my daughter and stuff like that. So I'm gonna spend some time with her, etc., etc., and hopefully pick back up with you. Hi, Kendreds. Good morning. We outside again today, right, guys? So we just came from the hardware. I just came from the hardware and got some pins. You all will see that in time, right? I already dropped my daughter to school, and yeah, I think we need to go to the grocery store again, and then yeah, we'll be going home. So, right, guys? So let's go. Yeah. So I'm back home. I just made myself a burger. Yeah. So I'm gonna eat and get to editing because I have a video to post today and I haven't finished edits as yet. So see you all soon.